I'm going to remove the curtains, and I'm certain that he will be speaking ideally, inshallah, Aziz. Now,
He's right.
he's right now. So, this boy, I mean Abu Bakr, your younger brother, he even knows you. If he requests you to visit the beach, first, what will be your reaction?
Traveling.
Traveling. Yeah, could you please explain it?
Yeah.
Please. But there are two conditions. The first, know that organization system that we
rejuvenate.
organization, we rejuvenate our system. Why? To make it more effective. To make it more effective. How this more effectiveness can be achieved? By introducing new methods, new ideas, new people. So this is the topic we are going to discuss.
It's not just about the height, it's
Yeah.
about nature. Mountain was
Nature.
just an example.
Excellent. What type of nature you see over there? Abu Bakr, my son, your source of rejuvenation. What makes you feel happy? What makes you become no stress-free? What is the thing which you do or which is done in front of you and that results in relieving your stress or making you feel energetic again, looking young and so on? Please.
Traveling.
Traveling. Yeah, could you please explain it?
Yeah.
Please.
When I travel, I go to mountains and many different places.
Yeah, not fountain pen, it's a fountain. Mountain is not curtain, it's a curtain. Curtain, not certain, it's a certain. Certainly. I'm certain that he will speak and he will speak ideally. Now that, because I'm going to remove the curtains which are there on his brain, I'm going to remove the curtains, and I'm certain that he will be speaking ideally, inshallah, Aziz. Now, the point's clear. He loves to visit the mountains, and mountain always gives life. It makes you feel happy. It becomes a source of getting that relaxed, or what the word is now, this one, rejuvenated. How can it become the source of rejuvenation for you when you are at the height and you are able to see everything is over there and beneath that? Or you start feeling that you are near the sky, or you start feeling that the area is quite different from the normal area you visit. Why?
It's not just about the height, it's
Yeah.
about nature. Mountain was
Nature.
just an example.
Excellent. What type of nature you see over there?
Like greenery,
Okay.
rocks.
Yeah. When you look at the green, especially in that area, so this
Rejuvenates.
you. And second, the rocks now. Rocks not over there on the road, rocks not over there in the parks, rocks over there in the rocky area. I mean in the mountainous area. So these rocks, their look that makes you feel happy. I mean these rocks, their sight becomes the source of
Rejuvenation.
for you. Number 3.
Going to
Okay.
beaches.
What? Going to
Beach.
beach. Yeah. What special is there which can become the source of your pleasure?
Water.
What?
Water.
Water. Which beach have you visited?
None.
None. So this is your dream now. You watch that in the video or in the movies, in the dramas?
Yeah.
Yeah. Which movie or the drama did you watch the beach in?
Like on YouTube.
YouTube
Which beach you are familiar with?
Name any beach, please. No idea. But only the water you love that, no?
Yeah.
That
view.
water, the view, excellent. No, didn't you ask your brother to take you to the beach? No, didn't you ask? What's the reason?
There are not any beaches there.
If this boy, I mean Abu Bakr, your younger brother, he even knows you. If he requests you to visit the beach, first, what will be your reaction? First, and if you are willing to take him to the beach, when and which beach and how many people will be there with you? Will you be taking him to the beach with the family, alone, etc.? Please.
If a worker requests me to for a beach trip,
Yeah.
I can plan the nearest beach like Karachi beach,
Yeah.
As according to my understanding, there is only one beach in Karachi,
Yeah,
and I will plan for Karachi.
yeah,
If there is holidays
yeah.
or school or
His
school
schools
or,
are off,
yeah,
okay.
schools are off, and he don't have any responsibility
Yeah,
to
he
do.
doesn't have any responsibility. Yeah,
doesn't have
assignment.
any-
You mean say
yeah.
assignment, no?
Yeah, he
The
doesn't
school
have.
assignment.
Yeah, he doesn't have any assignment.
Mm.
Not only the school, but for the Islamic lesson like
Yeah.
the Quran,
Yeah.
Quran reciting.
Yeah,
time.
recitation of the Quran. Because the
Recitation of the
Quran
Quran.
teacher visits you, know that,
Yeah.
and he's teaching him. Yeah,
Yeah, he visits daily at the
Mm.
5 o'clock
yeah.
in the evening. So if there is no hurdle, I will just plan for the nearest. But if he will ask about the Dubai,
Yeah.
he is not much mature to
Yeah.
go there, because people are approximately
Naked.
naked there,
Yeah.
and his age is only 13 years.
Yeah, he's so immature. Yeah, in
He
a
is
sense.
so immature,
Mm.
and he was. I just tell him that I go to the Dubai beach, and
Yeah.
he was
Jumeirah Beach you're talking
Jumeirah,
about.
yeah, Jumeirah beach.
Mm.
And he was asking why you go there. People are naked there, and many extra. But I just tell him I just go to the water
Yeah.
for the swimming,
Yeah.
for the bathing.
Yeah.
But the experience was bad, as
Yeah.
the layers are coming after
Yeah.
even a half second,
Yeah.
and you can't survive there
Yeah,
without any
Yeah.
low expertise.
Yeah, excellent. I agree.
Yeah.
So your first answer is that you would be ready to take him to the beach, and the
Yeah.
beach that is the Karachi beach you're
Karachi
talking
beach.
about. But there are two conditions. The first, know that there's a no school assignment, and the
Yeah.
second, there's a no the Quran teacher assignment.
Yeah,
So it means if he's free.
yeah,
So if he's free, so you
Yeah.
are now that ready to take him to the beach now.
yeah.
See, the answer, the response, now which Mr. Humayun gave to you, now that your comment on it, please.
He's right.
Is right now. So suppose he announces right now that now Mr. Abu Bakr is going to be taken to the Karachi beach for the next morning. What will be your reaction?
Happy, excited.
So what will happen about now that the school assignment, the Quran assignment? Yeah, that's a condition now. So thank you. Please. What makes you feel energetic again? What makes you look like a young boy again? What is the source of your rejuvenation? Now, when do you get now rejuvenated? Where do you get rejuvenated now? Question, please.
Yeah.
See, your source of rejuvenation is now that visiting the place where none is there. Now that sitting in isolation and to have a cup of tea means a cup of tea in isolation in the open area becomes a source of rejuvenation for you. That's your understanding now. Please, don't you think that you should take that any person you love the most with you, so that you both can sit together in that area, open area, and have a cup of tea or share a cup of tea?
Problem is that when
बिन सजना की सजना जिन्ने मेरे सजन नु तकिया ओ ना रजया ना रजना आवी ना चिरलावी मेरे आवे दिलदारा सजन बन के मुख ना मोड़ी सैफ मधु का यारा
my understanding,
He can't understand
he
the
only-
situation you are in. Now that he
Yes.
can give you simply that some suggestion, some opinion, no?
only
You can see apparently he sees your condition, but he can't understand the situation you are in.
Yeah.
That whatever you are experiencing, he can't understand its that intensity. So that's why, rather than sitting with some person, you decide to sit alone and you can talk to yourself. Me, I would say, what's called that? Whatever we talk, that to ourselves, that's there in the drama, your drama and literature. I'm forgetting the proper word. When we start talking to ourselves, this is
Soliloquy. Soliloquy. Soliloquy.
that talking to ourselves, in isolation. Yeah, it is one of the sources,
Yeah.
It is one of the sources. I do agree, that it gives a life again, That when we are depressed, when we are not feeling well, we should sit in isolation now, and that isolation can become the source of that giving life again. I mean, giving life again, I mean now that you can say in this context that rejuvenation, we can get rejuvenated.
Yes.
ਅਸਲਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਜਨੇ ਕੀ ਕਰੀਏ ਅਸਲਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਜਨੇ ਕੀ ਕਰੀਏ ਨਸਲਾਂ ਤੱਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਭੁੱਲਦੇ ਬੇਨਸਲਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਨੇ ਕੀ ਕਰੀਏ ਪੁੱਠੀਆਂ ਚਾਲਾਂ ਚੱਲਦੇ
And relax mind.
Again, this is a great idea. Sometimes it happens that when we decide not to say anything, not to speak anything, not to eat anything, now that nothing to be done, so this nothingness, this nothingness, now that on number of occasions, it that rejuvenates us, it becomes the source of our rejuvenation,
Rejuvenation.
or we get rejuvenated due to only nothingness. So I do agree. See, before I close the session, I'm giving you something now, some ideas I'm going to share now, because we are going to resume our the talk from tomorrow, inshallah. The next session, I mean now. See, the other meaning of that
Rejuvenate.
is to make an organization more effective. How? By introducing new methods, new ideas, new people. This organization, because of this body's organization, this human body's organization, system, economic system, religious system, political system, DC office, AC office, your business is organization. It has so many organs, And what happens when we want to make our organization more effective, more result oriented, more result generating, more result producing? So what do? We introduce new methods, new ideas, new people, new strategies, new plan, new ways. So this is also called rejuvenation. Rejuvenate. So it means that we rejuvenate our organization. Clear? There is a rejuvenation as far as organizations are concerned. The first thing. Second is that there are systems as well. For example, economic system, political system, digestive system, teaching system, education system, and so on. So the systems are there. To make a system, how? More effective. To make a system more effective. How? By introducing new methods, new ideas, new people. So this is another concept. Organization, system, that we
Rejuvenate.
organization, we rejuvenate our system. Why? To make it more effective. To make it more effective. How this more effectiveness can be achieved? By introducing new methods, new ideas, new people. So this is the topic we are going to discuss tomorrow, that how can we rejuvenate our organization and system. So it's you to work on this point. We shall meet tomorrow, inshallah. Thank you.
ਤੁਰ ਗਏ ਯਾਰ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਜਾਨੀ ਵਤਨ ਚੁੱਕ ਮੁਹਾਰਾ ਉਜੜੀ ਬਸਤੀ ਯਾਰੋ ਨਜ਼ਰੀ ਆਵੇ ਕੰਡ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਦ ਯਾਰਾਂ